So just to give everybody a heads up, I'm using a new strap that holds my phone, and that way I'm hands-free to do what I need to do. Let me know how it turns out. I'll put the link in the description. So let's get busy. All right, let's let them know we're coming, and probably not happy. Hi, beetle. Let's get rid of that guy. And where he came from. All right. Okay, so we're gonna need some more frames. Set these in there. Remember, this is the old queen that we just marked not too long ago. So not really sure why they didn't like her. Now, I didn't like her brood patterns, so that may be why. So we'll see. If she doesn't do anything, then we'll recombine that nuke that we just made with this guy. And just fix it, I guess, and hopefully they'll draw out a better queen on their own in that other nuke. So we'll see. It's a brand new inner cover that I just made, so it's a little tricky. It hadn't gotten the mold yet, size. So these guys already found the water. You gotta squeeze these things until they stop dripping. Otherwise you get sugar water all in the bottom of the hive. There we go. They'll enjoy that. Okay, all right. Let's go over here and set this guy up. So they're almost capped on that queen. So we'll leave it right here. Put some sticks in front of it, so that way it'll be easier for these guys to figure out where they're, the queen will know where to come back to. Somebody told me this, I can't remember who it was. It was a commercial beekeeper. So yeah, hopefully that'll work. So good luck. This is not a good sign. Y'all see what that is? Drinking off the top of my hive. So I'm gonna try to pop that son of a gun. That's what we call a European hornet. Come on, go back and get something to drink. Got him. Got him. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Alright, sorry. Alright guys, I just opened this guy up, and y'all probably know this doesn't look good. Almost like they're being robbed. So let's check her out. There's a new queen in here. Man, look at them. This doesn't look good at all. Alright, give me a heads up now. Tell me what's going on. Let's get in here and look at it. Look at this. Yeah, I don't know about this guy. Makes me want to go get my gloves. But it looks like it's been robbed. Yeah. That's not good. Yes, sir. They are robbing the fire out of this hive. So that's interesting. Did my hive swarm? Yeah, they're just fighting over trying to get this nectar out. Well, whoopie-doo. Queen's gone, and I guess my hive must have swarmed and left behind all the wonderful stuff. Now, why would it swarm if it didn't have an extra queen cell in there? Dadgum. All right. Well, I don't know what to do with this guy. Any suggestions, let me know. Leave in the comments if you don't mind. I am totally lost here. So I think that hive left. If you guys know, please let me know. Thanks. I'm gonna put a couple of those drawn out frames in here. Have fun with it. That will give her something to lay on. If she ain't too bad. Let's see what happens. I may have just messed up, but we'll see. Again. Okay. Maybe that'll help out. All right, so you gain one, you lose one. That's pretty much what I've seen here. So at this point, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excuse me, 6 laying and 1 with a queen cell. Well, 2 queen cells in it. It's gonna have to bring. I guess she's just gonna have to come out and hopefully go get mated, come back, find the hive again, and start it up. So I'm gonna have to wait for a while on that. They probably supersede that red queen one that I had painted because she wasn't doing very well. I don't know. So if that's the case, when the other one comes back and starts laying again, I'll check the queen that wasn't laying very well, and if she's if she's still doing bad, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of her, and we'll replace her with the queen that they drew out, if everything's going well. So, and again, if not, hopefully the very strong hive that we have, one of the strong hives that we have, we'll just draw out some more queens and split away. All right, take care.